Hello guys, this is Daytrade Lion and today I'm going to show you how I made 20% on just one trade. Okay, first thing I do when I sit at my computer, and I usually do it 2 hours before the market opens, I click scan and I find the biggest gappers. This doesn't work right now, but this showed me A and BC, which was at plus 100% when I found it. It was around here. Okay, so I started my analysis. I drew this line because it was respected as a resistance or support here, and it bounced back here, okay, and here. So this is now resistance after it was broken as a support here. So now this is a resistance. Also, there is a trend line that I noticed which touched a few candlesticks, and I drew that too, okay. Here is our TTM scalper alert that also showed that the trend might reverse. MACD was crossed earlier and this trend line was broken, okay. So the next thing I noticed is this support here. This was kind of a new support. You can see it by respect of these candlesticks. They bounced just off it, and it is a sign that it is new support, okay. And I like to use 1 million candlesticks to find a reversal as early as possible. Okay, so the signs of a reversal trend is there are a few of them. Okay, respecting of these resistance, breaking this trend line, breaking 9 EMA, TTM scalper, and the breaking of mark 12. Okay, so I took a position at 11.9, something like that, and I put my stop loss at a plus 3%, which is a 12.29. Okay, so I made a short position, and I usually like waiting to see what is going to happen. Okay, I usually like these overextended stocks that are not as good as they seem to be, because if Tesla doesn't jump plus 100% in a day, why would some biomed science, unless they discovered a cure for cancer or something like that? Okay, so I like to wait it to reach to give me around 20% profit if I catch as early movement as this one. Okay, so I like to wait. As you can see, the price went back to where I shorted and back, but it bounced off because why? As I told you earlier, this was support that was broken, and after support gets broken, it becomes resistance. So you can see that this is now resistance, and the price won't go above it unless the candlestick broke it and another candlestick opens and go over that first candlestick. Okay, so now I was waiting for something else to form up. I don't want to take profit just because I don't want to take profit. I could take it at plus 10%, but why wouldn't I take more? Why wouldn't I take more if there is a chance that it will go lower? Okay, so the next thing I noticed is there is a forming of another support, and this one is even bigger because you can see there is more than 10. There's around 10 candlesticks that touched it. Okay, so it was broken, and it went low and it went even lower. And for support, they usually say the more time it gets touched, the weaker it becomes. So I knew that it will get broken and it will go even lower. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. So the next thing what you gotta know is, if the volume is small like this one, you can see up here as I move my mouse that it is not that big. When volume is not huge, then it is much more probable that it will continue to go bearish, because price needs a lot of volume to be bullish, and it doesn't need volume to be bearish. Okay, So I waited for some kind of consolidation around here, and I maybe wanted to wait even this one to get broken, okay? But I actually wanted to take my plus 20% profit, okay? As you can see, I took it right here, and it gave me 20% profit. So it is more than a good return for just one trade in 2 hours, okay? As you can see, I shorted it 2 p.m. and covered it around 4 p.m. half an hour after the market opens, because usually after the market opens the price can fall a lot more deeper than it is right now, okay? But if it doesn't happen, I usually give it a time to happen, and if it doesn't happen in a certain time, I just cover it, so I covered it here at plus 20%. This is what my day trading day looks like. And if you want more of these videos, more of trading recaps, just click like and subscribe, and I'll record more of these, okay? As you can see right now, it was broken, and this is also a nice time to take a short position, but I will call it my day, and I will just leave and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching.